Bonjour messieurs, dames, nous sommes ici à nouveau pour vous parler d'une chose très spéciale qui est l'argile.
Hello, everyone. We have something new to talk to you about, something very special to share with you all.
Okay. Et l'argile, le green clay, voilà, voilà, tu peux montrer, ça c'est de clay, the green clay they call it.
Yeah, that is
You know?
green clay. This is what we're talking about today.
And if you are not sure about what we are saying, you can go on YouTube and find all the video about green clay and they will tell you all about it. Oh, j'ai dit en anglais. Sometimes I don't know if I speak French or English. You excuse me, sometimes it's French, sometimes it's English. But it's all right. We will make it anyway. So this green clay, it's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful healing for human being. For any human being. Oh no, I'm sorry. Even for the animals. You know that the animals, when they find green clay and they don't feel good, they go in it, you know, and stay, you know, and stay in the green clay until they feel much better. Bon. So it is extraordinary, you know, and it has the power, and a power that God has given him, because I don't see anybody else, you know, that can do that. You know, God has given him this power. It désintoxique, and it renumérate. Non, excuse-moi, je vais le dire en français. Désintoxique et renime, c'est-à-dire remet tout ce qui est du fer et des choses comme ça dans le corps.
So this is a product that detoxifies your body and is a product that goes into your body and helps. It absorbs it. I don't know if you said that yet.
Vas-y, tu peux le dire.
Okay, so yeah, it detoxifies your body. If you're sick, you have a headache or anything like that, you can put it on your body and it helps heal it.
Ok. Ce produit-là, ce green clay, il faut dire merci bon Dieu pour ce cadeau merveilleux. Ce cadeau merveilleux qui a un pouvoir absorbant. Il est comme un aspirateur. Il enlève toutes les toxines du corps. Il enlève le gras et le gaz.
So this is a very special gift that we should thank God for because it's something that He gave us to absorb the toxins in our bodies.
Et de impuretés, les impuretés aussi.
And all the impurities in your body.
Et les gaz.
And all the gas in your body.
Et de graisse.
And the
grease. Et la graisse, oui. Alors, vous savez, ici en Haïti, les Haïtiens, ils ont des gaz ici. Ou ils ont des gaz là, ou ils ont des gaz là. Tout le monde sait qu'on n'a pas de gaz là. Hein? Mais vous mettez l'argile là où vous avez les douleurs, et ça s'en va. La douleur s'en va, parce que l'argile est absorbant, il absorbe ce qui vous fait mal.
So when you have a pain of any sort, doesn't matter what it is, what any type that it is, whether it's on you or an animal, you just put this on your body for a certain amount of time, and then you will feel better.
C'est un aspirateur naturel. Aspirateur.
So it is all. So it has the natural ingredients. So everything that it does on your body is all natural as well.
And it is absorbent. It's a natural
Absorbent. Yeah.
absorbent. Voilà. Ok. C'est un pansement naturel, n'est-ce pas? Si vous avez des brûlures, si vous avez des diarrhées, si vous avez mal à l'estomac, si vous avez mal à la tête, côté, n'importe où, côté ou bien, douleur.
Anything that you have, a headache, if you have stomach pain, if you have a burn, if you have,
Coupure.
if you cut yourself, you just put this on any pain or cut that you have, and it'll heal you.
It will heal you. Moi, je l'utilise sur mon petit chien. Mon petit chien, il s'appelle Flo-Flo, il est tout blanc, c'est un bichon. Quand je vois qu'il ne mange pas, il va derrière la porte de la salle de bain parce que ça, c'est son lieu de désespoir. Quand il va derrière la porte de la salle de bain, qu'il ne mange pas, que son caca n'est pas comme il faut, moi, je ne discute pas. Je prends du papier, je vais vous montrer tout à l'heure. Je prends du papier, je mets l'argile, je prends une bande et je l'entoure. Je mets sur son estomac, et j'entoure la bande. Si je le tends à midi, je le refais. Et autrement, il reste toute la journée avec ça. Et en tout cas, avant le soir, je refais et il reste toute la nuit avec. Le lendemain, monsieur court comme un lapin. C'est fini, il n'a plus de douleur. Alors, évidemment, ce que je vous dis, c'est moi qui ai fait l'expérience. Bien, faites l'expérience et vous verrez, vous ne perdrez rien du tout. Alors, vous avez une cure si vous n'êtes pas bien, si vous vous sentez fatigué. Ah, aussi l'argile, comment on dit anémie? Oui, l'argile bat l'anémie. Vous connaissez anémie? Anémie is
Non, pas
when...
naissant.
Oh, the iron in your blood.
Oui, but there is a sickness, you know, when you look at here in the eyes, when it's white, anémie. Anémie, c'est pas anémie in English?
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay, it brings back the fer that you need in your body and the potassium, you know. So there is a cure of 21 days. What you do, you take pardon, je recommence en anglais. Ce que vous faites, vous prenez une cuillère d'argile que vous mettez dans un verre. Une cuillère d'argile, vous le remplissez d'eau. Vous ne touillez pas, vous ne mélangez pas, vous laissez comme ça. Vous laissez toute la nuit. Le lendemain matin, vous buvez l'eau. L'argile sera en bas, alors vous buvez l'eau. Pendant 21 jours. Cette argile va rentrer dans votre corps et va enlever toutes les toxines que vous avez dans votre corps. Que vous le sachiez ou que vous ne le sachiez pas. Elle ne vous demande pas votre avis. Elle rentre dans votre corps et elle sort tout. Plus long.
I lost it a little bit. So,
Non, alors, il y a une cure de 21 jours.
yeah. So if you use that for 21 days, then it's gonna help you, or
Oui,
Okay.
you do the cure. Comment on dit cure en anglais?
cure?
Cure in English for 21 days. Now, it's one tablespoon of argile that you put in a glass of water. If you leave it overnight, the day after, you drink only the water because the argile will be on the bottom, but on the top you will have the water. And the water has all the potentiality de l'argile. So you drink that every day for 21 years, 21 days.
Drink it?
You drink it every morning. It's not bad. You don't have to feel it's bad. If you feel it's bad, put some ice. And it's delicious. Really.
Okay.
I mean, delicious. But it's good. you
Right.
know.
Drinkable.
You can do it.
Yeah.
It's drinkable. So you do it with that for 21 days.
Okay.
In the 21 day, after 21 day, you call me and you tell me how you feel. Because you will feel much better. You know, it takes all the toxin out and it has bring back in your body the iron and the potassium. So it is only good. Now, like I said, I can talk to you, I can tell you, I can kill myself. But if you don't try it, you will never know. You have to try yourself. Try. You don't lose nothing about it. So now we're going to show you how to do it. How to do, put your hand here. Don't you do that. Voilà. He has pain here, you know. He doesn't know it. But I know it. He has pain. So we are going to have a pansement. Comment on dit ça? Tu me suis, James?
Oui.
Okay. You put some argile. You see, don't be shy, and don't be timid, and don't be shish. You know, here. You see here, or maybe here. Where do you feel bad? Here or here? Doesn't matter. Or here. We're going to put it here. Attends, comme je veux pas, tu le mets comme ça. Voilà. Okay. Now we're going to put that here. Here, lift it. Comme ça. And then you cover it. Okay? When you, comment on dit, sprinkle your ankle?
Sprain your ankle?
Sprain your ankle or sprain your arm here or here or here. Whatever you believe me whatever you feel bad. You know, it doesn't matter what it is. Just do that. Voila. And then you put, you attach it. Voilà, comme ça. Et voilà. He's ready for the whole day. At noon, you can change it. At night, you change it. Day after, no more. Now, I have to tell you about the... sorry. Merci. Sometimes ago, I mean, some years ago, I'm old enough to say years now. Before I used to say sometime, but now it's years ago. Some years ago, I sprinkled my ankle here.
Sprained your ankle.
Il y a quelques années de ça, je me suis foulé le pied juste là devant la maison. Mais mon mari, Moreau, était parti en voyage et il devait revenir et je devais aller le chercher 2-3 jours après à Port-au-Prince pour retourner à Jacmel. Qu'est-ce que je vais faire? J'ai pas de pied. Parce que ça fait mal, hein? Tu peux rien faire. En principe, ça prend une semaine. Au moins une semaine. Avant que tu puisses utiliser ton pied sans douleur. Alors j'ai décidé, non, c'est moi qui vais aller chercher mon mari et je serai guéri. J'ai fait ce système-là sur my ankle. Every hour, not every day, no? Every hour, I will change it. At night, I will sleep, and as soon as I wake up, I change it. If I wake up 2 or 3 times during the night, I change it. 2 or 3 times during the night. The day after. Le jour après, je pouvais marcher sur mon pied. Ça faisait un peu mal, pas trop, mais je pouvais marcher sur mon pied. J'ai continué. Le jour après, je n'avais plus de douleur. Le 3e jour, j'ai été chercher mon mari à l'aéroport avec des talons comme ça. Ce que je ne ferai plus aujourd'hui. Talons comme ça, c'est fini pour moi. Mais à cette époque, j'avais des hauts talons et j'étais chercher Moreau jusqu'à Port-au-Prince avec des gros talons, sans douleur. Donc ça, c'est vraiment miracle. C'est un remède miracle. Pour tout ce que vous avez, pour n'importe quoi qui vous fait mal, vous faites ça. Et vous serez bien surpris de voir les miracles que vous allez accomplir. Par exemple, raconte l'histoire en anglais.
Okay, so yeah, she sprained her ankle just outside, out in front of her house, and her husband wasn't around. He was visiting another town, and instead of waiting for him to come back to take to the hospital or any of those things, she just decided she's going to take care of herself, and she put the green clay on her ankle, changed it every hour, slept on it. Then when she woke up, she changed it again. After a day, she could walk on it. Hurt a little bit, but she could still walk on it. And then she just continued that process. After a few days, when her husband came back, she was feeling fine, and it really is like a miracle clay, that a miracle medicine that this is, and it can really be beneficial to everyone.
And then, she forgot to tell you, but I had to go and get my husband at the airport in Port-au-Prince, which is 3 hours away from here. I had high heel, no pain at all. High heel. Now, if you have another process for this kind of ankle things, you know, that really are miracle better than that, please let me know. Because I don't know any other process that are really a miracle, like this green clay, you know. So if your son doing football, you know, he get a hit on
his ankle.
On the ankle or whatever, you know, put that on.
Or hit on his knee or anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
And if it's really grave, you change it every hour.
Yeah, if it's something really bad, then you change it more often.
More often, you know. Si c'est vraiment mauvais, vous le changez chaque heure et vous allez voir. Par exemple, ici en Haïti, quand ils jouent dans le football, on adore frapper sur les chevilles. Au lieu de frapper sur le ballon, on frappe sur les chevilles. Ben, c'est leur façon. Et donc, ils arrivent à la maison handicapés. Vous faites ça. Vous prenez l'argile, vous changez chaque heure. Chaque vous le changez. Pendant toute la nuit, dès que vous vous réveillez, change. Une fois, j'étais à Saint-Domingue dans une réunion, et puis je sais pas, j'étais excitée, à savoir, j'arrivais ni à dormir et j'avais un mal de tête à mourir. J'étais jeune, hein. C'était pas maintenant, j'étais jeune. J'avais un mal de tête à mourir. Eh bien, j'ai fait ça sur ma tête. 5 minutes, je dormais et j'avais plus mal de tête.
She explained that one time she had a really bad headache, and she said that she put this on her head for about 5 minutes, and the headache went away. It was a really bad headache, but just 5 minutes with this on, and it was
Oui.
all gone.
And you have to trust me and you have to try it. Until you try it, you cannot say no, Madame Moreau, it's not possible. Because I will not take your no for an answer. It's yes. I'm not lying to you. I'm giving you a gift that God has given us. You see, this beautiful green clay. This is a healing that you cannot find any other healing. Alors, we in Jacmel, we are here for 40 years. 40 years ago, we did not have doctor. We had doctor, but you know, not really that
Not
you
really,
can,
yeah.
that
Educated.
you can, that you can trust all the way through,
Right.
you know. And so, one day I was suffering. I don't remember about what, and I went on the internet. Did we have internet at the time? How did I know about the green clay? I forgot. How did I meet the green clay? I forgot how I did it.
What could have been internet if someone told you?
Maybe someone told me. I forgot. And then anyway, and I use it. I mean, for 30 years, I use this green clay. And for 30 years, I am healthy. You look at me, I'm 75 years old. Do I look like 75 years old? No, because of the green clay. You know, this is really a healing that you cannot find anywhere else. So people, I love you. That's why I give you my recette. Pour ça que je vous donne mes recettes les plus précieuses pour que vous puissiez les utiliser et faire vous-même vos expériences. N'oubliez pas, je suis sur la chaîne YouTube Un Moment Bahaï. Abonnez-vous, like et je veux des commentaires. Je veux que vous me disiez oui Madame Moreau, j'ai essayé et ça marche très bien. Et je serai la plus heureuse du monde.
So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you will try this secret green clay. And please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below if you've tried it or if you have any other secrets that you would like to share with us about helping with pain, joint pain, any type of thing. But please try this at home. Don't say no until you try it, and leave a comment below if you do try it.
Well, she is very nice, you know. I will not accept a no from you, from an answer. You try it.
Try it.
And then you tell me yes. Because it is a yes. Okay, we see you next time. I'm sorry. Be happy. Serve mankind.